Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate image just by saying your text. That means I want to show you how you can generate text to image. You have to just describe what you want to get, what type of image you want to get, and then the artificial intelligence of Canva will automatically generate the image using stable diffusion AI technology. So these are the things. Now what to do for that, I will give the link of Canva in the description of this video. If you need to get it, you should get it from the description and then just start their free or pro trial and then log into Canva. This is my Canva dashboard guys, and from here you have to go to this discover apps option. So let me go to this discover apps option, and here just search text to image, and see here is the text to image option. It's now in beta position, but I hope in future it will improve more. But in beta condition, how good the output is, I will show you now. Just select this text to image, and then here, okay, let's say using new design, and here you have to select the aspect ratio, and let's say I'll design it for Facebook, and then you will get this interface. And see here is the text to image option. If you get this interface, you can get this interface, then you have to select this text to image option from here, and here you have to just describe your image. Now what type of image do you want? Let's say I want an image, let's say, let me describe it here. So it's a basic description. I'll show you how you can describe it with more detail, but by using this basic description, what kind of image I can generate, I'll show you at first. So after giving this description here, I'll just click here generate image, and then let's see how good the image is. So here these are two images. See, I hope you get idea guys. This type of image you will get basically, but I don't think that the images are very good here, and this is because maybe the description was not so good. So let me start again, and now I will show you how you can get detailed explanation about your thinking. There have one search engine for AI image generator guys. The name of the search engine is Lexica. I will give the URL of this Lexica in the description of this video also. Here you have to search your preferred image basically. Let's say you want to get one image of a tree house. So then just search here tree house, and then you will see a lot of images that has been generated by using text to image feature, and see a lot of images, and just click on the image that you like. Let's say I will click on this one, and then you will get the prompt. See, here is the prompt. You have to just copy this prompt from here, and then come to this text to image feature on Canva, and then paste it here. And then here you can add more feature here. Let's say I will add, here they're saying a solar lush house in the woods by Dave MC Ken and Studio Ghibli. And then you can add more things here. Let's say 4K realistic, more detailed. So it depends guys how good you are to explain your imagination. As much good you will be to explain your imagination, you will get as much better result here. So let me generate the image from here now. So here is the image, see, and our explanation was very good because we get this explanation from this Lexica. You can use this Lexica, it's very recommended guys. I will recommend you to use this Lexica, and then see this output is very good. So it's not the fault of Canva, or it's not the fault of your software. It depends how good you are to explain your imagination. See, these two images are really good, I think. So these are the things. I hope you get idea guys, and then let me show you more search from here. Let's say I want to get some image of forest. forest. Let me search here forest, and then see, it will show you a lot of images that has been generated previously by using stable diffusion AI technology. And let me choose one from here. So it's not loading, maybe some internet issue, guys, but uh, see from here, let's say I'll choose this one. It showing more detailed, I think. So I'll copy this prompt from here, and then I will generate another image from here. I'll just paste it here, and then I'll click here generate image, and then let's see how good the image we get. So it has been generated, guys. See, let me add one new page, and then let me bring it here. See, I have gotten two images, guys, here, and both are very detailed, and it looks very nice. And it's the thing that we have been explained here: a beautiful forest illustrated by Eugen von Gard, Ivan Shiksin, John Singer Sargent. My pronunciation may be wrong. The thing is, guys, you have to explain your imagination in detail, then the technology will give you the detailed image or detailed text to image. I hope you get idea. So the concept is, it depend on how much good you are to describe your imagination, you will get that much good image from here. And these are the feature of text to image on Canva. You can get this Canva Pro feature, or their free feature also. I will give the link of this Canva in the description of this video. You can get Canva from here. Also, they have a free trial. You can use this free trial, guys. Also, you can get this Supermachine lifetime deal, guys. It's an another text to image generator. They are running their lifetime deal. That means you can just pay once, and then you can use it for your lifetime. And it's only 69 USD, but you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get that 10% discount on this Supermachine lifetime deal. The review of this tool is very good. So I think if you want lifetime deal in case of your text to image generator, then this Supermachine is perfect for you. I hope you get idea. Thank you so much for watching this video.